Clean. It's a sign of care, safety, efficiency, quality. It's something you can see, feel, smell. Cleanliness makes your company shine. Meet Gröninger Cleaning Systems. We provide complete cleaning technology solutions for your business, from small systems to the largest international turnkey projects. We help you every step of the way, brainstorming and scoping your product or business idea, delivering a fully detailed technical design in 2D and 3D, carefully assembling and installing according to the latest standards, providing manuals, training, service and maintenance of the highest quality, all delivered with enthusiasm and pride and focused on your needs. Our unique online service portal is the best in the business. Through remote access, we can provide complete and personal service anywhere on Earth. Safe, efficient and fast. In our words, support beyond cleaning. We bring you the latest and greatest in high-pressure cleaning technologies, including wastewater treatment and air purification. For transport and logistics companies, chemical, food and non-food industries, shipbuilding and offshore. Sustainable and durable, and validated by our Cleaning Guard software. Based on over 70 years of experience, Gröninger Cleaning Systems understands that cleanliness and hygiene is not superficial. It's at the core of what you do. Cleanliness is a sign of quality. Gröninger Cleaning Systems, cleaning your world.